In this trading session, I only have 2 losses and back-to-back wins. So yes, trading is simple when you actually know what you're doing. And I've told you many times that you can actually leave your hourly job, your 9 to 5, or however many hours you work per week for trading, and the calculation is really simple. So I created a calculator for you to figure it out. All you need to do is use the link in the description, and it's going to take you to my Telegram where you can pull up this calculator. So if you work, let's just say you make $25 per hour and you work 8 hours per day. That means that before taxes, that's $200, right? And of course, yeah, we have to take away benefits and taxes and commute and all that kind of great stuff out of it. But the way that you figure out how many trades that you need to make and at what amount is really simple. It tells you right here. So you need to do $26 trades and you need to do 9 of them to make more trading than you do at your hourly position. So if you need a strategy because you're not really sure how to get results like this with a balance like that, 63,261 that I made in one day, in one session, then use the link down in the description. It's going to pull up either my website or my Telegram where you're going to learn how to trade for free using this same strategy. Okay, same strategy that I use every single day. This was actually this morning where I was explaining a strategy that I'm testing out, but this is where you're going to learn how to trade for free. And of course, yes, I have a mentorship and all that kind of stuff, but now is the time for you to learn to trade like this, to leave your hourly position and not have to worry about recession or inflation or getting laid off. So smash that like, because if I didn't tell you, you probably wouldn't have done it, and subscribe if you haven't done so, because anybody who comes here, most of you are not subscribed, and that means that you're not going to learn how to trade and get results like this.